Hey guys, this is a quick overview video of our Takeuchi TL series polycarbonate forestry door made here in-house by skidsteercabs.com. This one is for the TL series, as I mentioned, which will be different than the Takeuchi TL V2, R, or R2 variations. This particular one replaces part number 880865301, and like I mentioned, it's a 1/2 inch thick. We also make this one in 1/4 inch thick. This one is designed to reuse all of your factory hardware. So in order to enable that, we've machined pockets, recesses into the holes where your hardware will sit. And you can see that we've machined pockets around the bottom as well. Those release are milled into the product. I'll show you the other side here in just a second. Okay, so we have the other side. This would be the inside of the door. Nothing special here, just machined as needed. So like I said, this is a drop-in replacement for your OEM product, the glass that you have. So if you're looking to upgrade to something far more durable, or just simply replace broken glass once and for all, this is the product you want.